My good people, we thank Baba God for another day. Baba God also allow us see. Today, my yarnings will be about the Queen of Afrobeats, Tiwa Savage. Tiwa Savage, they talked the other day for her Instagram. She make one post for her Instagram the other day, say, this is her upcoming album, which she won't release next year, so she will be her last album. And as she take talk, she say she don't tire, say she said don't try. But if you look at the record, look everything, really, the babe don't try. We not go lie. For the last how many years, Tiwa Savage dey on top. Over a decade, the baby dey on top. She not lose guard for anything. You understand? She dey deliver back to back. You understand? Person no fit get the title of Queen of Afrobeats without say she no get better doings. You dey get? Anytime when I remember when she did perform for the coronation of the King of England, I dey always dey get smile for my face. I dey proud. She would share the way she represent the culture. Mostly that talking drum when she use. I think was just symbolic. It too makes sense. You dey get me so. But when you go talk about the music aspect for Tiwa, she dey deliver. She don't deliver. Even her last album when she released based on off her movie, that Bota and Gary, that album at 10/10. I think if you listen to the songs, my favorite for that song is the Kilimanjaro, and the one me she get with Asa. A top class. You dey get me so. You know girl who don't come, who dey now, who go come, me go fit take a crown. For the babe to come and say she don't tire, you know easy. She get son, she get family, she go like, I believe she go like to spend more time with her family. You know easy They road every time, they tour. And I believe say when you go see consider her age too. I believe say the babe go want to take time off, make she see rest. You know easy Even daily job make people they do when be say this one, that one. Those Nigerians sabi they talk say they don't they pay you. They don't they pay you, know they make money, all this kind of thing. But last, we need to see take up ourselves, we need to see wash our body. If they get me, the babe don't actually try. As in I dey feel say Nigerians when they give her flowers enough. Now what I dey feel. So kind time when I go see some kind comment, I go they wonder like, hey, with everything when this babe don't do. Tiwa paved the way for female artists for this country. She paved the way. Now, as in, she used her body to carry all the insults. When be say, nah. The Nigerian female artist, they feel they do some kind doings. Those times, that time, when she go they do them, they insult her on the reg. Now she use her body, raw body, carry all the insults. They get, you know what it mean for a lady, for a girl of Nigerian music industry? When we say they dominated by male, can't fit come out the way she did come out. She can't dominate the industry. She can't be consistent. It not be being so. She dey really hit back to back. As in, and one thing when they always amused me about her, and the fact, for different genre of music, she dey deliver. When that 100 million come out with Odumodu Black, when she rap for the song, as in like I say see Tiwa dey rap. As in the baby, she just dey blessed. You dey get me? She dey blessed. The fact say she can't come up for that, she can't give forgiveness. Forgiveness won't be like say get a little bit of reggae vibes. You don't understand? She deliver that Toma when she released with Ruga. Even the new one now she released Mega Money. You dey get me? The baby, she don't complete the circle, I beg. And the fact a new film Water and Gary may come out this year. As in, to me the babe don't complete circle. And I just believe say Nigerians need to respect that babe more. Nigerians need to give her flowers more. You dey get me so? Because I just feel say she don't represent the nation well. She don't fly the flag well. Nobody go fit deny the facts. And above all, the babe fine, she said. Her face card now 100% now. As in, you know the same. But all the same, no matter who come, no matter who go, no matter who go see come for future, nobody will fit dispute one thing. She be the Queen of Afrobeat and she will always remain the Queen of Afrobeat. My people, una do.